My work and our department is to follow up to make sure that whatever project that His Excellency has started is finished on time. And I'm very happy to say that this one, phase 1, is complete. Yeah, we are at 98%. So in the next month, as the engineer has told you, the contractor should be able to hand over the site. There are a few things that we have seen that need to be done, like the seawall. That is the work of the engineer. They are going to look at it. I'm sure they have already designed. Also, we want to extend the docking area. The jet is around here. As you can see, only 2 ships can dock here. Yeah, can dock here. We need to have about 5 ships docking around here, bringing sheep and also going out, bringing fish and also getting out of the port. So we are really looking to improve the economy of this area. Yeah, most people have depended on the port, but we just don't want to look at the port alone. We are looking at other areas, getting into the sea. There are a lot of resources in the sea. What can we get from the sea to enhance our economy? Those are the things that we are looking at as government, and that is why you see all these improvements of roads, yeah, going on in Mombasa, and also reviving like the fishery industry in Mombasa and other areas. Comment na vitu kama hii ni nchi yangu na naweza kukanyaga mahali nataka kwa sababu hii ni Kenya bwana. Mimi ni Mkenya daddy. I'm a Kenyan bwana. This is my country. I am a minister in this government. I was across in the Ministry of State Department of Fishery, and the project was just across the road. So what stops me from just going there to check with the county commissioner and everyone just to check what is happening? So hiyo sio kitu kidogo. Hiyo ni mtu tu kuelewa vile alikuwa anafanya. Hii ni Kenya bwana. This is our country, eh? Yes. Na ni nchi yangu, nitaikanyanga na nguvu mahali ninaenda na nifanye kazi. Sio kwa kifua.
Assistant Minister.
Yes.
And you don't want to respect us?
No. It's not, we don't want to respect you because you never inform us you want to interview. We never receive any news.
Where can you to ping? Where happened to ping?
No.
Uko na ping? Where can you to? Where who? I want him to.
No.
Just move.
No, first
move. Wow.
Big boss.
I respect you, but first respect is between both of us, okay?